got something really cool to show you today. It's not this OAX Takana stove, but I need this to boil water. I've had this for a while, but I've not actually brought it out with me on a video. I've tried using it with a cassette style gas canister and that didn't go well. It just took forever, so I brought the big boy out today. The cool bit of kit I want to show you, or I should say bits of kit, have been kindly sent to me by Silverantoutdoors. I've got a folding titanium spoon there. Nothing remarkable about that. It's a folding titanium spoon. I've got this little tea caddy here, also titanium. You don't have to use it for tea, you can use it for coffee, you can use it for anything you want. Today I've got tea in here, and I've also got this little chappy here, and this is a teapot. He's an absolute beauty. Whenever I go camping, cycling, travelling around, I always like the ability to make myself a nice cup of tea or even coffee. And I've used all kinds of different filters, but I've never come across anything quite like this. Believe it or not, this is a teapot. It comes in 3 pieces. We've got the lid, we've got a beautifully made strainer inside. I've used this with tea and coffee, and it will do tea perfectly, and it will also do very finely ground coffee. I've been super impressed. And here is the main piece of kit. This is a double-walled teacup. I've been using this as a mug as well because it doesn't get too hot to hold. It does have a little pouring spout there if you just wanted to use it to pour into a cup. Let's get a brew on. I like my tea quite strong, so I'm going to go for 2 spoons, not full ones. I guess about that much. That's more than enough. Pop him in there. And then pour what could be simpler. And we give it a minute. This is an absolutely beautiful spot I've come to today. I've seen a few kayakers about, and it's given me some ideas for some future videos. I've always wanted to try a bit of kayaking, but I've never actually got around to it. But it's inspired me. It's been a couple of minutes, tea should be ready. You'll notice from this, you just pull him out and he just catches all your tea leaves. And that's all there is to it. That is the easiest that I've ever made tea or coffee when I've been out and about. Beautiful job. I must say, this is an absolute game changer for me, because not only have I got basically an internal built-in filter now so I can use tea leaves all the time, I've also got a cup which is double wall and it keeps things hot, and it all goes into one compact little item. I'll put the weight up somewhere from my scales of what this little piece of kit weighs. So if you're into your real teas and your filtered coffees, these beautiful pieces of kit could be perfect for you. Check them out, silverantoutdoors.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Info shared out.